Hello students, I wanted to provide this video as a little tutorial on how to test your wind turbine. First of all, you're going to set it on a little piece of styrofoam just to keep it upright, and you're going to hold the dowel kind of loosely, and the string should be attached to the dowel. It should be totally extended. So as it spins, it'll get wound up. The string will become shorter. So if I turn on the fan and I have it all squared up and ready to go, my wind turbine starts to move. I'm only going to leave the fan on for about 5 seconds. I need to be specific for each time. I turn the fan off, I let it stop spinning, and then I mark how much of the string got wound up. I unwind it, and I measure this segment of string from the dowel over to where how much of the string got wound up. This one is going to be just shy of 11 centimeters. So I'm going to call it 10 3/4 centimeters. So we're going to use centimeters for these measurements. So the small side of the scale on top here. If this one is, so I'm going to count to millimeters. I'm going to go 10, right to the tips of my fingers where I'm holding the string. I'm going to get at 10.7. So that's 10 centimeters and 7 millimeters. And so we've been measuring other stuff in inches. We're switching to centimeters for the measurement of this because it's easier to get a more precise figure. All right, your job is going to be to make sure that your wind turbine works effectively. Do at least 5 good trials, record those numbers, and then I prefer for you to get me to sign off on it. Then your job is going to be to improve these wind turbines. Make whatever tweaks you want, test it, and make sure that it's doing better than your initial trials. So let's get those initial trials done today and measured. Be as consistent as humanly possible. You're going to need a timer and somebody to turn the fans on and off. Let's go.